Ugh, another day? Another dead robot vacuum? Is your Neato Botvac D80 refusing to even power on? Or maybe it's cleaning, but leaving piles of dust because the side brush isn't spinning?
What?
You're not alone. A faulty battery and worn-out side brush are common culprits for the Neato Botvac D80. The problem? A depleted or failing battery means no cleaning power, while a broken side brush means less efficient cleaning, especially along walls and edges. Ignoring these issues can lead to further damage, costing you more in the long run. Plus, you'll end up with a seriously dusty house. You might be thinking, oh, it's just a simple fix. Just swap a battery and a side brush. I can handle this. But let's be honest, robot vacuums are more complex than they seem. It's a high-tech marvel that requires professional care. A simple battery and side brush issue can quickly escalate into a full-blown robot apocalypse. Trying to fix it yourself could lead to more problems than you bargained for. Don't risk it. Let the experts handle this delicate creature with the care it deserves. Don't let a minor inconvenience become a major disaster. So, you've decided to leave the tricky repairs to the pros. Smart move. Getting your Neato Botvac D80 back up and running with RoboCare is easier than you think. At RoboCare, we're experts in preventing the worst-case scenario. We'll diagnose your Neato Botvac D80's problems and provide a reliable fix so you can get back to enjoying a clean house without the drama. We possess the specialized tools, genuine parts, and expertise to accurately pinpoint the issue. Whether it's a faulty battery, a broken side brush, or something more complex, and fix it right the first time. Simply book your repair online, and our expert technicians will handle everything. We offer convenient pickup and delivery options, or bring your robot vacuum directly to our service center. But we don't just talk the talk. Let's see the amazing results RoboCare achieves for our satisfied customers. And wow, look at that. A new battery and side brush make all the difference. Expertly installed by our technicians, this Neato is back to cleaning like a dream. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm incredibly happy with the service I received from RoboCare. They were professional, efficient, and incredibly helpful. The whole process was incredibly easy and efficient. From the first contact to receiving my perfectly working Neato back home.
Don't let a broken robot vacuum ruin your day. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center in Kota Damansara or use our convenient courier service.